This is Joe Pulsar, the tractor toy fan, and this is an ultra rare Jasper the steam engine lowboy carousel, and it has a Nyax reader, which is strange. Now, it was originally as a Thomas carousel when Kiddie Australia built the Thomas carousel, and then they refurbished it into a Jasper carousel, which is actually a bit ugly, but anyway, so it manufactured in 2007.
Is only for children between
the code is 3001.
Your child must be accompanied by an adult at all times. After making sure that your child is securely seated, then you may press the start button. But please step back whilst the ride is in motion. Please press the start button.
This is incredibly rare. Now, a lot of people think it's a Thomas ripoff, and I do agree with that, since it actually is ugly. He looks like a Professor Jasper. Filmed, I think it's pemulwuy. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but it's very strange, this ride. It's so ugly. These are very rare. So manufactured by Kiddie Australia in 2007, originally as a Thomas carousel. So it's definitely a Thomas carousel. They just like redid it and everything, but this is more like a rip-off, which I hate. So it has the Nyax reader, which I never thought I'd expect. I don't know if this is a real show because I don't get it. But yeah, like Skylock 24, if you please watch this is very rare. Like only like maybe 2 were like transformed in these. So this is the lowboy version. So that was the
come to an end. So I'll see you all next time, my little wee hens. And Jasper will be here, all ready to go.
Oh, I'll give you the ride of your life, 'cause I'll nae go slow.
So that was the Jasper the steam engine lowboy carousel by Kiddie Australia.